Okay, checkpoint 9.11. What's wrong with the following programs? This question is about constructors. Okay, so we have a show errors class. Then we are using constructor here. The ID of the constructor, we use the same name as a class. Okay, then when you construct objects, we use a new operator. Then you have object reference variable. Again, that's the same as your class name. Here we have one parameter. Okay, it means you need a constructor with one parameter. Okay, so there are two solutions. Let's say public show errors. Okay, with one parameter. Okay, so if you have 5, some sort of integer values, okay, then you may have values equal to, okay, new value. Let me change. Okay, that will be one solution. Of course, we need the value as a data field so that we can use it. Okay, this is one solution. Okay, but if we don't have a default constructors, we assume we are using a default constructor. Let me repeat again. If we explicitly declare default constructor, of course you can use that default constructor. Okay, this is default if we don't have any values. Okay, so normally we don't have any implementation here. So default constructor, whether you explicitly write it down or not, you can use that default constructor. Okay, that's the one solution. If you want to use constructor with one parameter, okay, then of course you need one parameter. Okay, so that will be another solution for this question. That's all. Thank you.